how to update Shareit to the latest version. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to update Shareit to the latest version. So in order to update Shareit to the latest version, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your Shareit application. However, there are different ways of doing it, so you can follow any of these. And when you open up your Shareit application, go to the profile icon, and right on this page you need to go to the gear icon. And while you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you can see this option as update located right at the bottom. Here you can see that the application is completely up to date. However, if you're unable to follow this procedure or unable to see the sort of information or sort of interface, then you can just go ahead and exit out of your Shareit and then head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Shareit, and here you should be able to find whether you need to update the application or not. So that's how you can update Shareit to the latest version. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.